I'm very happy. I'm very excited. You know, she's really worked hard, and this is an opportunity for her to score. And I saw some rushes, and they really look very nice. So I guess once the song comes out, people are really going to see that she's done very well in the song. So it's happy and excited. Yeah, so she's the one live wire only. She's become a sensation ever since she's done that shooting. So it's good to, I'm also like happy to be working with her, and it's great. So in the song, they both have done very well.
When it comes to dancing, I'm actually always a bit conscious. I've only taken training in Carnatic, so this is going to be my first Bollywood number, and I'm really, really excited that I'm sharing the space with both of them.
No, for this song I prepared for 2-3 days, but of course I do a lot of riyaz and like in Kathak and different disciplines, dance disciplines. Everything has gone really brilliantly. It's been 2 days of shooting, and all happened like just so smoothly and really nicely. It's much easier for me to interact with people that I know much less, but yeah, of course, I was feeling a little nervous. Yeah.
No, I'm fine. I think when I work with people who I know, I think my comfort levels are much more. Of course, when you work professionally with people you don't know, also you tend to get there, but then you get to know them also very quickly. So it's always nicer to just work with people that you know or you're comfortable with. So it's great. I mean, to say she's a little conscious because for her working with me in front of her is a little bit of a. But I guess it's just for a moment, and once you realize that when the camera is on and the shot is on, it just kind of fades away. Well, I don't have a very clear idea as to when the release is. It's not going to be too long because we are actually done with the shoot of the film, and this is a promotional song that's happening. So I don't think it'll be too long, but I cannot put the exact date or month to it. So we'll have to wait, but it won't be too long. I guess I don't. I guess it was still not sleeping, even if the malls were not open. But I guess now with the malls being open and certain places, being open, I don't think in residential areas, but I think in the commercial areas. So it's fine. It's a good thing. I think